in grade 2 also you learn multiplication, right? Yes. Before that, please watch a video. After that, we will discuss. Okay? Yes.
Look at these trays of eggs. There are 5 eggs in each tray. Let's find the total number of eggs altogether. To find the number of eggs, we must add all the eggs from each tray. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 30. The total number of eggs can also be found by multiplying the number of eggs in one tray with the number of trays. That is 5 into 6 is equal to 30. There are 4 sets of dots. There are 6 dots in each set. Total number of dots altogether are 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24, or 6 into 4 is equal to 24.
Calculate the total number of birds sitting on the fence. We observe that the birds are sitting in groups, and each group has 6 birds. There are 6 such groups of birds, so 6 into 6 equals 36 birds.
Product is the answer to a multiplication sum. Here, 20 is the product of 4 and 5.
When two numbers are multiplied, we call them as multiplicative. The result obtained after multiplication is the product. Here, 2 and 34 are multiplicants and 68 is the product.
Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks. Click to know the answer.
Now it's your turn. Rewrite the following using the plus sign. Click for answer. Express using multiplication. Click for answer.
One box contains 23 candies. How many candies would 8 such boxes contain? Click to know the answer. Properties of multiplication. Any number when multiplied by 0, the product is 0. For example, 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 33 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 431 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 1225 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Any number when multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. For example, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 33 multiplied by 1 is equal to 33. 431 multiplied by 1 is equal to 431. 1225 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1225. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied, a change in the order of the numbers to be multiplied does not change the product. For example, 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is also equal to 24. Thus, 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 6. Fill in the blanks. Click to know the answer.
Yes, I think you got some idea about multiplication, right? Yes, now we are going to discuss about what is multiplication. Okay, multiplication means when we have several groups with the same number of objects in each we know how to find the total number of objects. For example, see the chocolate box, one box, 5 chocolates, okay. Then another box, 5 chocolates. Then here also 5 chocolates. Then here also 5 chocolates, okay. Here how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, right? Yes, each group, how many chocolates are in each box? How many chocolates are there? 5 chocolates, okay. Then we want to calculate, we want to find the sum. Okay, here we want to find how many total number of chocolates. So here no need to count the chocolates. Directly we can get the answer. How you know? In each box 5 chocolates. Then how many number of boxes here? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, right? Then 5 into 4. 5 boxes, 5 chocolates. Then each box, how many chocolates are there? 5 chocolates are there. Then total number of the box how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 box, right? Then we can calculate 5 times 4 are how much? 20, right? If we count instead of adding, we can multiply and get the answer easier. See, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So instead of counting directly, we can get the answer, right? Yes. So in each group, how much items are there? Then into the number of groups, how many boxes are here. So then if we multiply, we will get the answer directly. We understand? For that purpose, we are using this multiplication, right? Yes. Now in this chapter, what are the things we are going to learn? We know we are going to discuss about multiplying 2 and 3 digit numbers, right? Actually, in grade 2 you learn single digit, right? Yes. This chapter you are going to you are going to learn 2 digit and 3 digit number, right? Yes. Next, multiplication properties. We are going to learn the multiplication properties also. Then multiplying by tens and hundreds. Okay, tens and hundreds. The place where actually once only you learn, isn't it? So here you are going to learn multiplying by tens and hundreds. Okay. Then story sums based on multiplication. Story sum means in real life how we are using the multiplication, right? So that means the story sum based on multiplication. Do you understand? Yes. Before that, just recall what we have learned last year, right? Yes. Yes, in last year you learned first table, second table and third table also, isn't it? Third, fourth, fifth table you learned, isn't it? Yes. So here we are going to use the fifth table, okay? Yes, see here, complete the following. Here we are going to multiply once only, right? Yes. See, the first one, the 3 into 1, 3 into 1, the first table. If you are multiplying by 1 into any number, what we will get? We will get the same number only, okay? Keep in your mind, 1 into any number, 1 into 5, 5 only, 1 into 3, 3 only, like that. 4 into 1, 4 only, 4 into 5, 5 into 1, 5 only, okay? Any number multiplied by 1, what we will get? We will get 1 only. Like that, if you are multiplied by 0, 5 into 0, if you are multiplied by any number into 0, we will get 0 only. Please keep in your mind this concept, okay? Don't forget it. Any number multiplied by 1, the number itself. Any number multiplied by 0, we will get 0 only, right? Yes. See here, third table, 3 times 1 is how much? 3 only. The answer 3, right? Then here 4 into 3, that means fourth table. 4 and 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are how much? 12. Okay. Yes. 12. Then here we can use third table. Third table, how many times we want to say? 3 times. Okay. 3 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Right? Yes. Next. Again here 5 times 1s are. What is 5 times 1s are how much? 5. Okay. 5. Then here for fifth table 10 times how much? It's very easy. 10th table and 5th table, isn't it? Fifth table 1 5 is 5, 2 5 are 10, 3 5 are 15, 4 5 are 20, 5 5 are 25, 6 5 are 30, 7 5 are 35, 8 5 are 40, 9 5 are 45, 10 5 5 we can add, right? Like that 10th table also, 1 time we spend, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, 5 tens etc. So here we can use 5th table, right? 5th table 10 times how much it will come? 5 times 10 are 50 only, right? Yes. Then here third table, how many times you can say? 8 times. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, then 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, right? Yes. 24. Then here fifth table how many times we want to say? 7 times, right? 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are how much? 35. 7 5s are 35. Then here you check 2 times 0. Any number multiplied by 0, what we will get? What is the answer? The answer is 0, right? 2 into 0 is 0. Then here which table we can use? Fourth table, how many times? 2 times. So 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are how much? 8. 2 4s are 8. Then here again 3 times 0. 0 into any number, what is the answer? 0 only, right? Yes. Children, we should learn the multiplication table, then only we can do the multiplication part, otherwise we cannot do. Please try to learn 1 to 5 multiplication table. You understand? Yes? Yes. Next we are going to discuss about that's the 2-digit number. Okay? We are going to multiply 2-digit number, right? Here we are going to use 2-digit number. Okay? See here 12 multiplied by 3, here 24 multiplied by 2, then 35 multiplied by 3, then 43 multiplied by 3. Okay? 4 questions. The first one, see here. First we are going to use here, which table we are going to use? The third table. Okay? Third table. First we have to multiply these two numbers, right? Next we are going to multiply these two numbers. Understand? Yes. So 3 times 2 are how much? 3 times 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are how much? 6, isn't it? Yes, 6. Understand? Yes, in one's place. Then next we are going to multiply by tens place, right? 3, 1 3 is how much? 1 3 is 3, right? Yes. 36. That is the answer. 12 times 3 equal to what is the answer? 36, right? Yes, like that this question also now we are going to do. See here we are going to use second table. First which two number we are going to multiply? 2 and yes 4. 2 and 4. Yes, 2 times 4. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Then 4 2s are how much? 8. Isn't it? Yes, 8. Next we are going to multiply these two numbers, right? Yes, then 2, how many times? 2 times. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are how much? 4. Yes. 24 multiplied 2. What is the answer? 48. This is the product. Okay, this is the answer, product. Now, next example. 35 into 3. Yes. Now here we are going to use which number? We are going to multiply which number? Third table, right? Third table we are going to use, right? 3, how many times we have to multiply? 5 times, isn't it? 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 9, 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are how much? 15. But you are getting 15, isn't it? See, 2-digit number. Single digit means directly you can write the answer. If you are getting the 2-digit answer means you have to write the answer this side, then this one space, that number you have to write it here, 5. Understand? Then this tens, that means 1, you have to write it in the tens place. Area, okay? Here. Then now you check. Now actually we multiply these two numbers. That is over, isn't it? Now we are going to multiply these two numbers. Okay? Then we have to add that value. Now first we multiply these two numbers. 3 multiply 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are how much? 9. 9. Then we have to add this value. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 how much? 10. Isn't it? Yes. That 10 you are going to write it here. So 35 multiplied by 3. What is the product? Product is 105. Do you understand? One more example. Here you are going to multiply these two numbers, right? 3 times 3. 1 2 is 3. 3 is so here we can change the number. Okay. 4. Now I am going to change the number. Okay. 3 4s are how much? 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Then 4 3s are how much? 12. Isn't it? So 12. Can write it here 12. Then cut the 2. Write it here. This one we have to write it here. Very good. Okay. Next, the first one is over. Then now we are going to multiply the 3 and 4. Okay. Third table again we have to say 4 times. 3 4s are already calculated, right? So 3 4s are how much you got it? 12. Isn't it? Like that 3 times 4s are how much? Again 12. Isn't it? 12. Then we have to add this value. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 how much? 13. Right? Yes. Now the product is how much? 132. So 44 multiplied 3 was the answer 132. Do you understand? Yes. Now what you are going to do? See that chapter 5. Chapter 5 multiplication. Here page number 73. Revision exercise. Okay. Revision exercise 1, 2, 3. 3 questions here. Please complete these questions. This is your homework. Understand, children? If you have any doubt, you can contact me